people. So, as of yesterday, I was watching this movie called Meg, which is about. The name sounds Meg, but it's about the megalodon, which was, uh, the biggest. It existed during the time of the biggest. It's even bigger than a whale, because a megalodon is said to be either 60 or 62 feet, and it was always believed to have gone extinct. Like, they say it existed 2 million years ago, but according to certain reports from 2013, and as recent as that, uh, they've it's been seen that the megalodon is very much in existence. It's thinking of it itself gives one goosebumps, because so y'all should watch this movie. Yeah, it's called Meg, and it's on Netflix. And it's so cute that they've tried to inject humor into a script that is essentially about the underwater. And it'll give you goosebumps of a different sort, because there was this movie made called Jaws. I mean, it came way back in the 80s, I think. But this movie, y'all should try and check it out. It's on Netflix. It's called Meg. So, on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.